Which of the following features is not present in the phylum Arthropoda? The characteristic features of phylum Arthropoda includes the bilateral symmetry, segmented body, hard exoskeleton, jointed legs, and many pairs of limbs. So, coming to option A, chitinous exoskeleton, it is present in arthropods. They have hard external skeleton made up of chitin that provides support and protection. So, option A is incorrect. Option B, metameric segmentation. Yes, their bodies are divided into segments, that is segmented body, which is a characteristic feature of the phylum Arthropoda. Option C, parapodia. Parapodia is not present in arthropods. Parapodia are lateral appendages used for the locomotion or respiration found in certain other invertebrates like annelids, for example, the polychaetes. So that means the correct answer is option C, parapodia. Coming to option D, jointed appendages. Yes, it is present in the arthropods. The arthropods have jointed appendages such as legs, antenna, and mouth parts, which are key features of the phylum. So option D is also incorrect. The correct answer is option C.